Ooh, we got the hearse over there. Oh, okay. With the door open. So I'm going to shoot over here and get me a photograph of that. If you'll hold on a moment, I'll be right back with you. Yeah, this is more what I'm looking for right here. Oh, yes. And is this going to be good? This should be perfect right here. Awesome. Awesome. There's a neat car over here. So I'm going to get that with this car right here. Cool. It's awesome. Go down to 60th so I can get some good depth of field right here. Let's see, how can I do this? Yeah, right like that. Sweet. That is so cool. And there we have it. Yes, sweet. All right, guys. Got our roll of Kentmere 400 pushed to 800. Developed in CityScape DF96. Shot on our Pentax 645 with the 80 to 160 zoom. Loving it. Got some cool shots here in this little town. Awesome, awesome. All right, we're in a place called Cabery. So we get a photo of this car right here. Oh, very cool. Very cool. Very neat. Okay, that'll work. Actually, I think I want to get a shot right here too. Yeah. There we go. Nice. Sweet. I believe there are a couple more photo opportunities here in this little town. I'm not gonna be able to take advantage of all of them, but boy, I'm gonna get me a few photos. I think I saw a really cool, oh, there's that school bus right there. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna jump out and get a shot of this school bus here before somebody tells me to get the hell out of town. I'm just leaving the car running, as a matter of fact. Just getting over here. This is very cool. Gotta get a shot of this bus. Maybe two. Oh yeah. Badass for sure. Let's see, let's go right up to here. We'll get a shot right here. 1/25th of a second. Very cool. Let me get one more shot here. Oh yeah. That's nice. I'll take it. Probably go ahead and head on back out of town and leave these people alone. Nice grain bin there. People working for a living. Alrighty, this is a pretty cool stuff we got going on here. Guys got a little junkyard happening. Nice, sweet. All right. Pushing our Kentmere 400 to 800. And it looks like we've got a lot of camper stuff going on here, so I'm gonna back up and get this camper back here as well. Okay, so I've got the 80 to 110 on here, or 80 to 160. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna go under or over by 1. Love that. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Very cool. Here's another one. All right. Okay, so that's about all we're gonna get out of this one. Let's see, can I get a good shot here? That's kind of, nah. I do like that forward. I'm gonna get a real close-up shot. Like that. All right. Oh, that's cool. Not sure what this is. No, I'm not getting that. Okay. Bumper Lane Hill. All right. We got a couple good shots out of Bumper Lane Hill. Do I want to go that way? I don't think so. Private property. I like that, but not really sure I can get a good shot of it. All right, yeah, I can get a good shot here. This will work. Why not? Matter of fact, let's do this. There we go. Had the little kitty right there. Just crossed the Indiana-Illinois state line. Okay, we got some cool stuff here. No trespassing, but we're gonna get these shots anyway. I think these are just cool. Okay, at 250th. We don't need to be at 250th. 125th. No, we're at 160th. Okay, we're at 160th. Here we go. One shot. Awesome. Love this. Okay, here we go. These were 60th of a second, which I'm not thrilled with, so need to stay on 125th if I could. Can't go back any further into this property, but boy, this was pretty cool. I did enjoy that. Rolling right along, working with the Pentax 645 with the 80 to 160 zoom. That's some power right there. I often used the 45 to 85 and thought that the zoom would be a little too long, but I'm finding that, of course, 80 is equivalent to 50 on an APS-C sensor camera, and I'm kind of finding that I like this 80 to 160 a little more. It gives me a little more, well, of course, it gives me more extension, but I thought everything would be a little too close, but it's really not. Shooting kit mirror 400, pushed to 800 today. I don't like going higher than 800. 1600, it's too grainy, and that's great for certain things, but not for what I'm shooting. I'm shooting these cars, old buildings and stuff, and I like the old-fashioned look of black and white. Kit mirror gives me a great look. I love it. Very consistent. And also, I need to add that I use the monobath DF96 from Ilford, and was that CityScape? Yeah, CityScape. So it's a mono bath. You don't have to use fixer and all that. A lot of people poo-poo it, and they'll say that, you know, oh, you're not a real photographer, and oh, your negatives are going to disintegrate, and they don't. And at my age, you know, if they last 20 years, I don't care what happens to them after that. I'm gone. Anybody else wants them? Whatever, man. Sorry I didn't use fixer. You know, go take your own damn photographs. So I'm not really worried about archival images and all that at this point. So DF96, and I will add also, I don't think it makes a whole lot of difference. So coming up on another town here, and we're going to take some photos. So let's see what we get. Okay, we are in a place called Pine Village, and I love the dewdrop in thing. Oh, this is a little too close though. Okay, so we're not going to get the whole building, but that's okay. We don't need the whole building. We're overexposed by a couple. This is not the greatest shot, but we're going to take it anyway. That's the old dewdrop in. And we've got some other photos here that we're going to get. These trucks. We're going to finish this roll of Kentmere 400 pushed to 800 using the 80 to 160 zoom. There we go. Look at that. Very cool. Very cool. So we're going to definitely take a few photos here. Could do without the Christmas decor, but we'll make it work nonetheless. Love these little bitty towns. Just gotta love them to death. Sorry, actually the road in the guy's yard, which is not cool. Okay, so I'm gonna go out and take a couple photos here. See what we get. Okay, we're still rolling. Okay, sorry about that. All right, so I'm not thrilled about the Christmas aspect of these trucks, but I am going to get a shot of this nonetheless. Let's see, we've got the zoom on here. This is really, boy, not the best place for the zoom, the 80 to 160. It says I'm over by 3 at 125th. Do want to be over by a little bit. F16. Right, so I'm going to focus on the front of the truck. Here we are. Let's make sure we're set up properly. We are, and here's our shot. Glad nobody pulled up in front of me. Now we got this bad boy right here. Let's see if I can do this without getting the We do this without getting the Christmas decorations in there. Oh yeah, here we go. Just like this. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. And we do not want a bunch of depth of field on this one. So I'm gonna go to 250. Take this bad boy down to about F8. Yeah. There we go. And I like that. It's pretty cool. Let's see, I think we can do one more shot here because we are on 14th. So let's go ahead. Do we want to use this roll up? Oh, I think we do right here. There we go. That's what I'm talking about right there. Oh, that's perfect. That could not be more perfect. Oh, that's awesome. Love it. Let's see what else we can do here. Okay. I think we can do this as well. Should I focus on the headline? No. Okay, that took forever. So, we are rocking and rolling with the Pentax 645, the 80 to 160 zoom. I got some good barbecue going there. And rolling around northern Indiana, area that not a lot of people come to, which is why I wanted to come here. Got the 80 to 160 zoom on this, the Pentax 645 with the Kentmere 400 pushed to 800 because cloudy days I like to push it because I like depth of field with the 645. You get just such beauty with and crisp shots. But in general, I like the way I shoot. I like everything to be sharp when I shoot these cars. So I do like to push my film. And this is one of the first times using the 80 to 160. I do like it. That 80 is perfect. Probably should go to 90 so it's not the softest part of the lens, but nonetheless, you know, this is what we're working with. I'm going to roll up another roll, and we're just going to keep going. All right. Okay, well, this is pretty cool. I don't know what this whole thing is here, Brown's accent, but we got this going on. So, oh, we got a pretty cool little truck back here as well. No, we don't. Do we got anything happening back here? No, but we do have this going on right here. Now, let's see. It's pretty cheesy. However, it does deserve a photo. Without question, it deserves a photo. Let's see. Yeah. Now we're going to take a couple of, ooh, you know what? This part that doesn't look real cheesy is I can get the Ford emblem. Okay, now that'll be cool. There we go. That's what we're talking about. It says we're over by 1 at 125th. Let's crop a little bit here. So I'm focusing basically on the headlight. Boy, we're in F8. Okay, I'll take that at F8. That's okay. Here we go. Okay. A side of the road photo. All right. That was cool. Okay. Got the camera out. Pull over here, make a little stop, take some photos. Town of New Richmond. Make sure I park to where my car is not in the way. Okay, it is wet out here. A little rain, but I'm gonna get some photos anyway. Let's see. We've got our Kentmere 400. We're pushing to 800. That's not a shot. Let's see, the Old Hickory Cafe. Let's see, that's kind of cool. So we're at 1/25th of a second. Ooh, that doesn't give us much, 4.5. So let's go down to 60th of a second. That just sucks that it's just started to rain. Let's see, how about this? Hickory Cafe. Boy, that's a wasted shot, I'd say. Get it anyway. Definitely Well, if this truck wasn't here, it'd be awful. It would look so much better. Nonetheless, it is here, so we're just going to take the shot as is. Okay, I think we're going to call that one a day.